entire house keeps running. It means seconds after the power goes out, everybody can keep doing what they were doing. And that's important, because the best way to keep a family together is to remain apart. Call Common Electric and schedule a free estimate for a whole house generator install. And stay lit 24/7. KUHLMAN. Call Coleman.
He's electric. All right, guys, spring will be here before you know it. So if you've been thinking about fixing your chest, this is it. Now is the time to move. I've been telling you about Elite Chest in Boston and their Awake Gynecomastia procedure. It's minimally invasive, quick, and has only minimal downtime. You'll get a flatter, more masculine chest and actually feel good about taking that shirt off when the warm weather hits. And here's the deal. Right now you can save $500 when you schedule your procedure this month. Plus, financing options start as low as $99 a month. So there's really no reason to put it off. But listen, spots are filling up fast. Every year, guys wait too long and miss their chance to be ready for the spread.
What the fuck?
Дружище, у тебя девушка есть? চুরি করস না মার্ডার করস? ডাকাইত নেই। টান দেন টান দেন টান দেন টান দেন টান দেন। আয় ডাকাইত ডাকাইত টান দেন টান দেন। গাছ ফলাই দিছি। আয় হ্যাঁ। টান দেন।
撃録画を開始します。
অন্য বুঝে ওই গাড়ির ইয়ে ফোন দাও, গাড়ির নাম্বার আছে না, ফোন দাও তো। 5 দিন ধরে আল্লাহু আলা কুল্লি শাইইন কাদির।
That's all right with you?
Oh, this guy came up.
That's great.
Oh, no, he's probably going to
Okay,
go
good.
the other
Okay,
way.
you seem excited.
Fucking
That's
asshole.
great. That's great. Yeah, so this is actually
Oh,
a
this
document
guy
by
just
a
decided
first-time
to blow
document
the
submitter
red.
by the name of Carrie and Lai.
Jesus Christ.
You idiot. You idiot. Good on you, WHC.
Me!
Get out! Hey, excuse me, madam.
Russia.
Fuck me! How about fuck you?